Welcome to this video on the best websites to learn UI/UX design. User interface and user experience design are critical components of creating engaging, intuitive, and easy to use websites and applications. इस वीडियो में हम कुछ टॉप वेबसाइट्स पर नजर डालेंगे जो UI/UX डिजाइन सीखने में आपकी मदद कर सकती हैं। तो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। फर्स्ट ऑन आवर लिस्ट इज Udemy. Udemy is a popular online learning platform that offers a wide range of courses on UI/UX design. ये कोर्सेज इंडस्ट्री प्रोफेशनल्स द्वारा बनाए और पढ़ाए जाते हैं जिनके पास फील्ड में काम करने का अनुभव है। Udemy courses are self-paced and come with video lectures, quizzes, assignments, and a certificate of completion. Coursera is another popular online learning platform that offers a wide range of UI/UX design courses. The courses are created by top universities and industry professionals and come with video lectures, quizzes, and assignments. Coursera also offers certificates upon completion of the courses. Third on our list is Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning platform that offers a wide range of courses on various topics, including UI/UX design. The courses are created by industry professionals and come with video lectures, assignments, and a community of learners who can provide feedback and support. Fourth on our list is Lynda, which is now LinkedIn Learning. ये एक ऑनलाइन लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म है जो UI/UX डिजाइन पर वाइड रेंज ऑफ कोर्सेज ऑफर करता है। The courses are created by industry professionals and come with video lectures, quizzes, and assignments. LinkedIn Learning also offers a certificate of completion upon finishing the courses. Finally, we have Award. Awards is a website that showcases the best designed websites and applications from around the world. It also offers a blog section that covers UI/UX design topics, trends, and insights. Awards can be a great source of inspiration for UI/UX designers who want to stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices. These are some of the top websites that can help you learn UI/UX design, whether you are a beginner or an experienced designer. These websites can provide you with the knowledge, skills, and resources you need to create engaging and intuitive user interfaces and experiences. So start learning today and take your UI/UX design skills to the next level.